Hey there, DIY dreamers and home renovation enthusiasts. We've all been there, staring at a wall and itching to open things up for a more spacious and airy feel. But hold on a second. Before you grab your sledgehammer and start swinging, it's crucial to understand the difference between a regular wall and a load-bearing wall. Messing with the wrong one can lead to a structural disaster, and trust me, that's not the kind of home improvement project you want on your resume. So today we're tackling the question that haunts every renovation plan. How big of an opening can you make in a load-bearing wall? The silent guardians. What is a load-bearing wall? Imagine your house as a superhero. The walls are its muscles, but some walls are more muscular than others. Load-bearing walls are the hulks of the house. They carry the weight of the building above them, transferring it all the way down to the foundation. These walls are essential for the structural integrity of your home, so tampering with them without proper support can have serious consequences. Identifying the enemy. How to spot a load-bearing wall. Okay, so how do you know if you're dealing with a load-bearing wall or a non-load-bearing wall, basically a regular wall that just separates rooms? Here are a few clues. Location, location, location. Exterior walls are almost always load-bearing. They have the important job of holding up the roof and the weight of the upper floors if you have any. Walls that run perpendicular to floor joists, the beams that support the floor, are also likely to be load-bearing. Look up and look down. If the wall runs directly above another load-bearing wall below, it's probably a load bearer too. These guys work in teams to distribute weight efficiently. Plumbing and electrical load-bearing walls are less likely to have pipes and wires running through them, as these could compromise their structural integrity. Making an entrance. Can you actually open up a load-bearing wall? The good news is you can create an opening in a load-bearing wall, but it's not a simple DIY project. Here's the catch. You need support. Removing any section of a load-bearing wall means you need to replace that support with something else. This usually involves installing a header, which is basically a super strong beam that can hold the weight the wall used to carry. Think of it as a bridge spanning the opening, ensuring everything above doesn't come crashing down. Professional help is key. Installing a header is a complex job that requires careful calculations and precise installation. Unless you're a structural engineer yourself, it's best to leave this one to the professionals. A licensed contractor can assess your specific situation, design the appropriate header, and ensure the entire process is done safely and according to building codes. Think big or think small, the size of your dreams. So, how big of an opening can you create in a load-bearing wall? Well, with the right header and professional support, the possibilities are pretty open, pun intended. Here's a breakdown: small openings. For doorways or small passages, a simple steel beam header might be sufficient. Wider openings. For larger openings, a more complex engineered beam might be needed. These can be made from steel, wood, or even a combination of materials. Open floor plans. For those trendy open floor plan dreams, you might need multiple headers or even a custom designed support system. Remember, the bigger the opening, the more complex the support needs to be. Safety first. The importance of consulting a professional. Let's be honest, knocking down walls is fun, virtually of course. But when it comes to load-bearing walls, safety is paramount. A poorly designed or installed header can lead to structural issues, sagging floors, and even wall collapse. Not exactly the kind of renovation outcome we're looking for. So before you grab your hammer, consult with a licensed contractor or structural engineer. They can assess your specific situation, advise you on the feasibility of your plans, and ensure your dream renovation doesn't turn into a nightmare.